Welcome to my video blog and YouTube channel. My name is Greg Tepper with the Tepper Group at Keller Williams Realty. My partners and I are here to answer your questions and help you navigate what's going on in the world of real estate in Southeast Louisiana. While that includes buying, selling, and investing, we're also a resource for home improvement, insurance, loan information and staging, and just about anything you can think of when it comes to residential and commercial real estate. I've been selling real estate full-time since 2006. Our team has helped hundreds and hundreds of clients and been in literally thousands of properties. Here, you'll find helpful buying tips, selling tips, and market updates so you can make smart, informed real estate decisions. I invite you to sign up for our free Southeast Louisiana real estate newsletter, or just subscribe to the channel to get informed of new videos and content. And when you're ready to buy or sell, reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.